Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. At the very start of this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Check the links in the description for the best deals, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts about these car amplifier wiring kits. If you have ever installed a car amplifier and ended up with weak bass, flickering lights, or an amp that keeps cutting out, the problem is often not the amplifier itself, but the wiring kit powering it. Cheap or undersized wiring can choke performance, cause voltage drops, and even lead to long-term damage. In today's video, I am going to solve that problem for you by reviewing some of the best car amplifier wiring kits you can buy on Amazon, helping you choose the right kit for clean power delivery, safer installation, and stronger, more reliable sound. We begin with the TOPSTRONGGEAR 4-gauge amp kit, which is designed as a complete 4 AWG amplifier wiring solution for car audio installations. This kit typically includes a generous length of red 4-gauge power cable, a matching black ground cable, an inline A&L fuse holder with fuse, high-quality ring terminals, speaker wire, remote turn-on wire, cable ties, and installation accessories. The cables are made from copper-clad aluminum, offering a balance between conductivity and affordability, and the insulation is thick and flexible enough to route through tight engine bays and interior panels. The kit is rated to support most mid-range amplifiers, making it suitable for systems that demand stable current without stepping up to oversized wiring. In real-world use, the TOPSTRONGGEAR kit stands out for being beginner-friendly and cost-effective, making it ideal for first-time installers or budget-conscious builds. Everything needed is included in one box, which reduces guesswork and extra purchases, and the cable flexibility makes installation smoother even for DIY users. The only minor drawback is that copper-clad aluminum does not conduct as efficiently as pure copper, but for its price point, it still delivers reliable performance and is absolutely worth buying. Next up is the InstallGear 4-gauge amp wiring kit, a well-known option among car audio enthusiasts looking for dependable performance at a reasonable cost. This complete kit usually features true-to-spec 4 AWG copper-clad aluminum power and ground wires, an AGU or A&L fuse holder with fuse, high-quality terminals, speaker wire, remote wire, and detailed accessories for a clean install. The insulation is heat-resistant and abrasion-resistant, which helps protect the wiring in harsh underhood environments, and the kit is designed to support amplifiers pushing solid wattage without excessive voltage loss. What makes the InstallGear kit stand out is its consistency and reputation for quality control. It is an excellent choice for daily-driven vehicles where reliability matters just as much as sound output, and it works well for single-amp setups, powering subwoofers, or full-range systems. The minor downside is that it may not be ideal for extremely high-power competition systems, but for most users, it remains a dependable and worthwhile purchase. Moving into heavier-duty territory, the Skar Audio 1/0-gauge CCA Complete Amplifier Installation Wiring Kit is built for serious power demands. This kit includes oversized 1/0-gauge power and ground cables, a heavy-duty fuse holder, high-current fuse, ring terminals, speaker wire, and remote turn-on cable. The thick insulation and large conductor size are designed to support high-wattage amplifiers and multiple amp setups, ensuring minimal voltage drop and stable power delivery even under heavy bass loads. Skar Audio's kit is perfect for enthusiasts running powerful subwoofer amplifiers or multi-amp systems who need that extra current capacity. It offers excellent value for large-scale builds and provides a noticeable improvement in system stability compared to smaller gauge kits. The only small drawback is that the thick cables can be harder to route in compact vehicles, but the performance gains make it well worth the effort. Coming in at number 2 is the Recoil True 4-gauge Complete CCA Amplifier Wiring Kit, which focuses on durability and clean signal delivery. This kit typically includes true-spec 4-gauge power and ground cables, a robust fuse holder, fuse, premium terminals, speaker wire, and remote wire. The cables feature flexible insulation that resists cracking and wear, making them suitable for long-term installations. The kit is engineered to support moderate to high-power amplifiers while maintaining consistent voltage. The Recoil kit stands out for its balance between performance and build quality, making it ideal for users upgrading from factory wiring or cheaper kits. It delivers dependable power without unnecessary bulk, and the components feel solid and well-made. The only minor limitation is that advanced users chasing maximum efficiency might prefer pure copper, but for most systems, this kit is absolutely worth buying. Taking the top spot is the KnuKonceptz Kolossus 4-gauge OFC Amplifier Installation Kit, a premium choice designed for audiophiles who demand the best. This kit features true 4-gauge oxygen-free copper power and ground cables, a high-quality fuse holder with fuse, precision machine terminals, speaker wire, and remote wire. OFC wiring provides superior conductivity, lower resistance, and better heat handling compared to CCA, making it ideal for high-performance audio systems. What makes the KnuKonceptz Kolossus kit the best overall is its uncompromising quality and performance. It is perfect for high-end builds where clean power and long-term reliability matter most, and it helps amplifiers perform at their full potential. The only downside is the higher price compared to CCA kits, but the performance benefits easily justify the investment. At the end of this video, don't forget to subscribe, check the links in the description for the best deals, and leave a comment telling me which wiring kit you would choose for your setup. A great amplifier deserves great power, and choosing the right wiring kit can make all the difference in sound quality, safety, and system longevity. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next review.